Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. We know that x is 0.2 reoccurring and y is equal to 0.681, where there's a reoccurring on the 8 and the 1 digits. So we'll be asked to work out the value of xy. Give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Right, so first and foremost, let's start by considering this. Let's say let x equal 0.2 recurring. What we're going to be doing is we're going to multiply this. Let's call this equation number 1. We're going to multiply this by 10, so the whole element of the recurring goes to the left hand side of the decimal point. So equation number 1 multiplied by 10, and we should get something like this. Should get 10x is equal to 2.2 recurring. Now this is going to be our equation number 2. Then what we're going to do, we're ready to do a subtraction over here, and what we'll do equation number 2 minus equation number 1, and we should get something like this. 10x minus x is equal to 9x, and you've got 2.2 recurring minus 0.2 recurring. Notice the 0.2 after the decimal point are the same, so when you take them away, it's just a simple 2 take away 0 is 2, and therefore x is equal to 2 over 9. Right, so let's move on to the next bit then. Let y is equal to 0.681 recurring. Let's call this equation number 3. And what we want one part of this recurring element to be immediately to the right hand side of the decimal point. So let's do equation number 3 and multiply it by 10. And then you'll end up with 10y. You'll end up with 10y is equal to 6.81 recurring. Then what we want one whole lot of this recurring element to go across. Let's call this one equation number 4. So let's go back and we'll do equation number 3, multiplied by 1000. Then what you should get 1000y is equal to 681.81 recurring. Now notice what's after the decimal points are identical. So let's call this equation number 5. And then we're good to do a subtraction over here. Let's line ourselves up for that. And then what we're going to do, we're going to do equation number 5 minus equation number 4. Take away equation number 4. And then what we should do, we should get 1000y take away 10y. We should get 990y is equal to 681 take away 6 should give us 675. And then finally over here we should get y is equal to 675 all over 990. Now we still need to simplify this. Let's see how we go. Let's create a margin over here and we'll continue over here. So what we're going to be doing before we do anything, let's divide this one. Let's divide this one by 9. Let's divide this one by 9 as well. Let's have a quick look. So how many 9s go into 67? Well, it goes 7 times. So therefore y is equal to 7. 9 times 7 is 63. 67 take away 63 is 4. 45 divided by 9 is 5, so it's going to give us 75 all over. That's going to be over 990. So divide that by 9, you're going to get 110. So let's write that down. Let's see if we can simplify that down. Let's divide this one by 5. Let's also divide this one by 5. And then you should end up getting y. You should end up getting y is equal to 15 over 22. Now the question is asking for work out the value of xy. So let's write it down then. xy Well, we know what the value of x is 2 over 9. And we know what the value of y is 15 over 22. So what we're going to be doing, let's see if we can simplify this further. So let's go back over there. Let's cancel that down. Let's divide over here by 3's. Let's divide here by 2's. And let's write down what we should get then. So over here, you should end up getting a 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is going to give you 5. And therefore xy is equal to 5 over 33. Hopefully you've benefited from that. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.